Hey everybody, and welcome back. By now, hopefully you know how to use the basic functionalities of Course Builder. Now, what I want to walk you through here is how to use Course Builder to update your course from one year to the next, and hopefully many more after that. So first of all, we're going to create a new iteration of our course in Canvas, or have someone else do it for us. Once we've done that, we're going to go to the homepage of that Canvas course and just copy the homepage's URL. And it's super important that we do not add any content to this Canvas course before we import the course builder files in. So just keep note of that. Step number 2, we're going to bring our old course files and bring it back into Course Builder for updating. To start, we're going to go to the Course Builder site and navigate to that export tab that we used before to export files. This time, we're going to click on this button we're pointing to here, and we're going to upload the file that we previously exported, the JSON file. Once we've located that on our computer, we're going to select it, and in no time, we're going to have that ready to go. You just confirm the import, and we'll have the entire course builder made out just like it was before. Once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and make all the necessary updates we need to. You can do things like update the dates of assignments and classes, change out instructors, add new content, delete content, whatever it is you need to do. In addition, we're going to want to make sure to go to the home page of the course builder and add that Canvas URL that we copied in from before. Go ahead and paste it in there. Now that we've got all of the up-to-date data that we need in Course Builder, we're going to export it from Course Builder and upload it into Canvas. So go ahead, navigate to the Export tab, and click on the Export Canvas package. This will give us an IMSCC file. We'll take that and bring it over to our blank canvas site. When we do that, we're going to import it to the blank canvas site. And once we complete that, we should have that entire data package from the course builder uploaded into Canvas. After that, you can make any additional small edits you need straight in Canvas moving forward. And you can replicate this every single year as long as this course exists. Now that we've done the step-by-step overview, let me show you how to do it in real time. The workflow for updating a course year to year through Course Builder is actually really simple once you've done the basic groundwork already. So all we need to do to get started is go to our Course Builder site and go to the export page. Down here on the left side, choose your file to import. Hopefully you've kept some of these JSON files from your previous exports. Really important you hold on to those whenever you create a course for just this reason. And we'll go ahead and choose this one, open it up. Once it's imported, click to import, and we should see our entire course brought over right away. So now all we really need to do is make the updates where necessary. So that might just involve changing some dates. Maybe we need to move this ahead to the next year. Updating instructor lists. Maybe somebody has moved on, so we remove them. Add another instructor. Update the names and info as we already showed you how before. Edit around activities, etc. Whatever you need to do, add new links, new discussions, new videos. That it's going to change course by course, but these are very simple things that we've already covered in the previous video. And then we will just go ahead and export this new updated version as we've done before. We're going to export the Canvas package. And once again, we'll just take that IMSCC and we will import it over into our new Canvas site. Hopefully you found this useful, and hopefully you'll get a lot of use out of our course builder. I know we have. Thanks.